FLUT stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether Flutter entertainment stock is a buy or not for me. So watch this short video till the end. Looking at Flutter, 5% gains. Honestly, let's check it out from a broader picture, because yeah, pretty consistent bullish trend. And what I would say is that yeah, I'm looking for buys for sure. No reason not to. So I'm gonna mark out the demand areas. So if this thing really pulls down, if it gives me those double breaks, then and only then I'll be buying. So put a little confirmation, put a little waiting sign here. And if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, click the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. It's all just that simple. If it pulls down and gives the rules, only then I'll buy. That's it. See ya.